Hello everyone, I am Ankit
I'm Shrey.
and we are Motomaze.
When it comes to buying gear, is it
हाँ.
original?
हाँ
Is
ये
it
वाला
fake?
हाँ.
Or is it second hand?
हम्म.
Fake second hand को छोड़ो ही मत. Helmets have time.
हम्म.
There is a small theory which says if the helmet has fallen more than 3 or 4 times, change it. Crash में नहीं.
ऐसे जनरली
हाँ. पॉलिएस्टर क्रैक्स होते हैं उसमें. वो एक बार खुलने लगते हैं हीट के वजह से. अब वेरियस टेम्परेचर्स में हम गाड़ियाँ चलाते हैं. You are driving it in the rain. You have heat, you have cold, everything. That stuff which is broken a little takes more time to open up. That's the time. A lot of times you see कि तुम क्रैश में देखते हो हेलमेट खुल
चुका है. हाँ.
A new helmet, a strong helmet, never opens up. Unless there is humongous. अब टायर आ गया सर के ऊपर से
तो कुछ नहीं कर सकता.
बट तुम्हारे रेगुलर फॉल्स में हेलमेट कभी भी नहीं टूटता. The certification says that at so and so kilometer per hour इतने जोर से अगर वो लगा है वो नहीं टूटे. Your gear has to change when you have a strong fall.
ठीक है.
It's not something you buy today and you're done for your life. Now, when one comes the used मामला, when you're taking used thing, they are polished before they're sold to you, so they look new. लेदर जैकेट्स होते हैं, उनको पॉलिश करने में ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता.
कितना ही
वैक्स लगाओ, रगड़ दो, साफ
हो गया.
आर दे गोइंग टू प्रोटेक्ट यू? नहीं. लेदर का भी अपना एक गेज होता है. And the jackets you generally buy in the second-hand stores because you're finding it on a cheaper rate and a good jacket. Always understand, naya jacket, not so good, is still more protective than a very good jacket which is worn out. I mean, a lot of bikers have this thing in their brain कि ये gear जो है एक stylized version में देखते हैं. ये बाइक है तो मैं ये gear खरीदूंगा. मेरे को Alpenstar
the branding behind it.
मैं Alpenstar अभी अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता.
The fancy.
तो मैं उसका कॉपी खरीदूंगा.
Fancy shit.
Alpenstar का कॉपी तुमको नहीं बचाएगा. वो लोगो इंस्टाग्राम में लाइक्स लाएगा. तुमको कूल दिखने में मदद करेगा. We're coming back to the same point. It's not for coolness. उससे अच्छा है for the starting if you buy a Rhinox, you probably buy LS2s or PPG. Eventually you can become brand conscious. You can get used to Dainese, you can get used to the Alpinstars.
Once you are comfortable on your pockets as well.
हाँ. The whole point is I have seen that Instagram में people abroad wear AGVs. ठीक है. There's a fashion to AGVs. And यहाँ पे उसके copies बिकते हैं. 6,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees. Copies of AGVs. And
लोग proud है उसके बारे में.
they are proud saying मेरे पास first copy. It's a copy. End of the day, first copy says good finishing, but the protection is not good finishing. वो पहनो, गिरो, टूटेगा.
Gone.
Your LS2 will save you. It will save you. Your SMKs will save you. Your Alpenstar, which are the first copies, will never save you. Or if you have the money to get an Alpenstar, go get an Alpenstar. Don't get into the cheap shit of living. Rather, build your career to a bigger living. बात आई for people, how do I know if it's original? Whom do I trust? For people who are buying it online, every company has their own online pages. They take 15 days or 10 days for you to deliver it. There are faster express ways of delivering it. उस बहकावे में जाके कोई भी वेबसाइट से मत खरीदो. 5 दिन में जो आने वाला है वो 15 दिन होगा, बट 15 दिन में जेन्युइन पाटा है.
स्कैम भी बहुत हो रहा है भाई ऑनलाइन आजकल.
जहाँ पे तुम चीजें मंगवा सकते हो, it take 10-15 days, but it's okay to wait 10-15 days. You at least know that the product is coming from the brand direct. Karol Bagh, go to Karol Bagh, but know where you're buying it. The whole of Karol Bagh is not giving you authentic stuff. There are stores which are very old. Those people import stuff. उनके पास actual में सही माल मिलता है. As much as Karol Bagh is a place where you find a lot of duplicates, there are a few shops which are very old, known people. Every person in Delhi knows someone in Karol Bagh.
सही बात है, हाँ.
Who sells you genuine stuff.
Right?
There is one guy in every group who knows someone in Karol Bagh. Ask them, go there, get good gear. Don't walk up to Karol Bagh. तुमको नहीं पता चला,
वन फाइन डे ऐसे मत पहुंच जाओ बिल्कुल।
नहीं पता नहीं
हाँ।
वो अगर मैं यहाँ पे एक हेलमेट AGV का एक हेलमेट असली AGV का रखूँ ना, the only people who have tested the असली AGV will try to understand by the foam and the way the finishes, वो बता
वो असली है भी या नहीं?
असली है या नहीं।
हंसी आ रही है मेरे को।
शेल पॉलीकार्बन कार्बन फाइबर कुछ नहीं
कुछ
है,
नहीं।
कुछ भी नहीं।
And carbon fiber helmets are shit expensive.
Carbon fiber helmets are shit expensive. You need to start minimum 20-25,000 to get a carbon fiber. But don't go to one shop. They have 4 items. वो 4 में से एक पिक कर लेता हूँ क्योंकि वापस मेरे को घूमना नहीं है. Don't do that. Riding gear takes a lot of research before it to get the right jacket that fits to you. Once you're done with the jackets, then you start your gloves. Basic gloves 200 के भी आते हैं, उसी इसमें एक्चुअल बेसिक नेसेसिटी ग्लव्स 1500 के से भी शुरू होते हैं। 200 वाले में इसका नकल तुमको मिलेगा जो एक फॉल में टूट जाएगा। It's not gonna save you, क्योंकि वो हॉलो होता है अंदर से। It's easy to break. रोड में अगर तुमने एक बार जोर से रगड़ा, चांसेस हो वो अंदर घुस जाना ज्यादा है
और खुद को ही चोट लग जाए।
You're putting yourself in more harm in the process of protecting yourself. जो ये 1500-2000 के होते हैं उनमें the only difference is it's one base layer of plastic is already existing above your knuckles which is shaped in the form of your knuckles. उसके ऊपर एक protector layer बाहर आता है. So even if this breaks, the base layer is still holding your knuckle intact. उनमें अगर स्लाइड मटेरियल्स नहीं आया तो एटलीस्ट कुशनिंग होती है इनफ तक कि तुम रगड़ोगे तो सिर्फ कपड़ा फटे। 200 rupees things they have just
बार घसोगे पूरा खत्म।
cotton. Go to the actual store or the store which you trust.
ठीक है।
Wear a gloves. Stretch them first how much ever you can. Hold something with your hands. Gloves में भी 2 तरीके आते हैं। The comfortables and generally people wear the half gloves. Then there is this full glove, right? These full gloves are generally mandatory for people who are going on high streets. ये इस रिस्ट को टक करके यहाँ घूमने या टूटने नहीं देता. Done with your gloves, boots. You start with any ankle length shoes in the beginning. Basic. You don't have to go and buy a riding gear पहले दिन में because you're saving money to do all of this. Only because you're saving. If you have money, buy good boots. तो उसमें पहले आते हैं ankle, फिर आते हैं calf lengths. Now the calf length shoes protect you all the way from your calf to your tip of the toe. First impact area is the shin bone. क्योंकि तुम्हारा knee, assuming this is your knee and this is your leg, जब गिरते हो ये पहले फोल्ड हो जाता है और ये रोड पे गिरता है. कोई भी गाड़ी या कोई भी पार्टिकल इसको
इम्पैक्ट यहीं पे आएगा.
This breaks very soon. There's a lot of technology and mindstorming these people have used before they made this. Don't question it. Buy it. ये बेसिक मिनिमम गियर रिक्वायरमेंट सबके पॉकेट में आना चाहिए. Eventually you need to buy it.
एक बहुत ही ऑफ टॉपिक है, छोटा सा ही, छोटी सी वो है कि ये राइडर क्या हो गया. इफ यू आर राइडिंग विद अ पिलियन, है ना, मतलब बहुत ही छोटे उसमें मेरे को सम अप कर दे कि अगर आप पिलियन के साथ राइड कर रहे हो तो व्हाट इज दी बेसिक कि अगर आप XYZ किसी के साथ भी रेगुलरली जाना है आपको,
अगर तुम सिटी राइड्स कर रहे हो, शूज, हेलमेट, ग्लव्स, बेसिक
पिलियन के लिए
एडवाइजेबल सब कुछ. गिरना दोनों
को ही है.
बट इफ यू not everyone is a committed pillion rider. A committed pillion rider will buy everything. A non-committed, मान के चलो I'm going to office. Someone who wants a lift today, don't make him sit without shoes and helmet. Basic shoes और helmet के बिना तो मत ही बैठो.
सही बात.
Long rides, they wear everything these people wear. There is no give and take option about it. Even with your basicest commuting bike also, you can fall at 100 kilometers per hour even if you are not going and someone is coming at 100 kilometers per hour.
सही
It's not you. अगर तुम मेरे को ये बता रहे हो मैं तो 30 में चलाता हूँ, मैं 160 में चलाता हूँ. What if I come and collide you? The logic is your defense of saying that I only drive at 30s, I only drive at 40s, I am a very careful driver. Can you vouch the factor that on road every day you go, there are fools who are not going to be the responsible ones?
सही बात.
No one's going to vouch for that. मुझे नहीं पता आगे वो किस दिमाग से आ रहा है.
सही बात.
You are protecting yourself before the danger is already on you. Gears are as equally important in the way you search for a new bike, in the way you research for a new bike, the same way you need to research for a new gear as well.
I guess हमने आपके जितने थॉट्स होंगे या क्वेश्चंस होंगे या कोई भी क्वेरी होगी अबाउट गियर्स, स्पेशली राइडिंग गियर्स, वो हमने सॉल्व करें मे बी, या हमने आपको सही जगह गाइड कर दिया है या नहीं कर पाए हैं, या आपके पास अगर कोई और क्वेश्चंस हैं तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स खुला है, आप उसमें क्वेश्चंस डाल सकते हैं और हम बात करेंगे उसके बारे में, हम उसके बारे में बात कर सकते हैं.
If you have some other topic that we have not touched in gears, hydration bags and all of extra,
बाकी दूसरी चीजें, this is very basic.
If we have a lot of requests about it, we'll make a video. But for the initial starters, जो ये 5-6 चीजें हमने कोशिश किया है आपको समझाने की, the point is this has come from experience. I in the beginning 10 years ago also was an initial rider who never had enough money to invest on gear. More than enough money, I never had the intention to buy it because the necessity was never told to me. Then you get into proper biking circles where you understand the necessity. If you don't have a proper biking circle, there are people who do solo stuff. You are going to be the sole responsibility of your learning. मैं ये बिलीव ही नहीं करता that internet does not have enough information about
सही बात
gear. So if you tell me मुझे तो नहीं पता कि कौन सा जैकेट लेना है, you don't know it, put it in the comments, I'll help you out. Don't worry about the factor of making errors क्योंकि बहुत सारे options हैं. और understand whatever you have researched works for you. I might say Thunder is the best helmet in the range of 5,000 to 6,000 rupees. You might say LS2 is. I'm not going to argue. I hope that few things have been clear enough understood about basic not buying, what kind of things you are not supposed to buy, which comprises of second hand and your first copies. And I hope you have understood the factor कि तुमको क्या क्या खरीदना है as your initial full length kit. It's important and it's a request. Wear gear so that you live tomorrow to ride a better bike.
Enjoy your biking journey and ride safe.
Peace.